Hi, welcome to Kap Industries. Thank you for purchasing one of our little stickers. I'm going to show you how to install it. These are really good quality stickers. They're made by Grant at Riot Vinyls. The way you do it, find the spot on your car, make sure it's nice and clean. I've just washed this car. Get it, peel the backing, protect the backing layer off. So it's just on the transfer paper. And come back at like a real sharp angle so any points don't get removed with the backing. All the way off, like that. Get that, throw that away. I think I'm going to put it right here, right against that point just there. So you just press it in, just touch it on and work it in with your fingers. Then get your fingernail and just rub nice and firm like that. All over it so that they stick right down. Then get the transfer paper and peel it back like this. Very cool.